Hello everyone! As student leaders at SDSU, we have a unique opportunity to lead by example in promoting sustainability on our campus and beyond. We are a part of Green Love, the Associated Student Sustainability Commission, and today we'll share with you a comprehensive guide on planning and implementing zero waste events, ensuring we minimize our environmental footprint and comply with California waste reduction laws as an SDSU community.
Zero waste is a mindset used to minimize environmental harm, such as landfill overflow, air and water pollution, climate change, and depletion of natural resources.
Zero waste is not about achieving perfection. It's about making mindful choices to reduce using unnecessary natural resources and to avoid sending more waste to the landfill. It involves considering both upstream impacts, such as the extraction and manufacturing of goods, and downstream impacts, such as the disposal of these goods. Our ultimate goal is to avoid creating landfill waste through thoughtful planning and event operations.
In California, sustainability is reinforced by laws such as Senate Bill 1383 and Senate Bill 1335. These laws mandate that all food service packaging in state-owned facilities be reusable, recyclable, or locally compostable. At SDSU, these statewide regulations apply to all food service operations, including events, which means we have a responsibility to adopt a zero-waste mindset in our leadership roles.
Planning a zero waste event might seem daunting and costly, but we're here to share that it doesn't have to be. Here are the steps. Step 1. Simplify material use. The first way you could do this is the uniform selection of materials. Provide materials to your event attendees that are either reusable or verified compostable. This reduces confusion and the risk of contaminating the compost and recycling streams. Remember to consider all items, even those often overlooked, such as sauce packets, creamer cups, and stir sticks.
And through vendor collaboration, if you're working with SDSU catering or external vendors, ensure they plan on using packaging and serviceware that meets compostability standards, which we'll describe next. If the vendor does not use acceptable packaging, supply them with pre-approved compostable alternatives. Many vendors offer mostly compostable materials, but few items usually do not comply.
Step 2. Verify compostability with waste haulers. Through understanding hauler capabilities, SDSU partners with a waste management company called EDCO for waste hauling services. EDCO's commercial composting facility efficiently processes food waste and natural fibers, but they cannot break down materials known as bioplastics. This is a type of plastic synthesized by manufacturers out of modified biological materials, unlike food or natural fibers. While bioplastic products are not made out of fossil fuels like normal plastics are, these items are neither compostable nor recyclable at SDSU and should be avoided. This is confusing for consumers like us because the labels on bioplastic products usually say compostable, even though every city's disposal infrastructure is unique and might not be able to actually compost that item.
There's selecting preferred materials. Opt for fiber and pulp-based disposables like bamboo, paper, wood, bagasse, and parchment. When choosing paper products, avoid those coated with paraffin wax as it's not compostable. Instead, select items with PLA coatings. Although PLA is a bioplastic, in thin coatings, it decomposes properly at EDCO's facility.
Through responsible sourcing, choose items that are made from renewable raw materials. Look for FSC certified paper and bamboo products, indicating that the materials were harvested responsibly.
Step 3. Opt for bulk serving options. For beverage service, serve water and other drinks using dispensers with compostable or reusable cups. For coffee and tea, provide bulk sugar in bowls with spoons and creamers in reusable carafes, eliminating the need for single-use packets. For food service, instead of individually packaged snacks, purchase items like granola, trail mix, or candy in bulk. Serve them in large reusable containers with appropriate utensils.
Step 4. Equip venues with proper waste management. Collaborate with the custodial staff. Before your event, meet with the custodial team to discuss the waste streams for the items you'll be using. This ensures that it can help minimize the contamination of compost and recycling containers during cleanup. Strategic placement of bins. If all disposables at your event are compostable, consider placing only green compost bins throughout the venue. Cover or remove recycling and landfill bins to simplify the waste disposal experience for attendees.
Clear signage. Use prominent signs to guide attendees toward proper waste disposal. Clear instructions help prevent contamination and ensure waste is processed correctly.
By incorporating these practices into our event planning, we not only meet state regulations, but also cultivate a culture of sustainability at SDSU. It's crucial that we take action to ensure our planet thrives for future generations. Together, we can make our campus a leader in environmental responsibility.
For more information and resources, visit the Green Love Zero Waste Guide on the Associated Students website at as.sdsu.edu/greenlove/zerowaste.
Thank you for your dedication to a sustainable future.